I'm Andrés Reisinger. I'm a digital artist born in Argentina and based in Barcelona. I've been working in digital art for almost 15 years now. And I like to explore and to create connections in between the physical world and the digital world. This project, it's about having like a sensorial experience. The smell of pink, it's very important because it's the only sense that you can't have yet in the digital world. The digital art and digital pieces from this exhibition are online. So if you don't see them online, you are kind of losing our interpretation of this space. It's really about audio, visual and smelling the color. Ours is more like a platform of digital art. It's more like an institution, so that's a huge difference from what we are used to in the digital world.